Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to see your Instagram stalkers. The way this works is very simple. Basically, all you have to do is get this app called Instapeeker, which I'll show you guys all how to get in this video. You click the button that says view your stalkers, then you enter the Instagram username of the account you want to see the stalkers of. So I'll type in my account now. It will now bypass the two-factor authentication and log in instantly, and now we are in the account. As you can see, we can now view the profile visits, and we are now able to see all of our stalkers and profile visitors. So let me show you now how to get this app. Go to this website called youlovepn.com. Once you get the VPN and use it, they give you a $1,000 money prize that you can claim instantly. I'll even show you proof that it works. Here's what we have to do. Click the button that says pricing, then select get VPN. Yes, it shows $3.99, but I'll show you how to get it for free later. Go ahead and click add to cart, then click view cart and proceed to checkout. You'll want to fill out all the details it asks for and complete the checkout process. After checking out, a success notification will pop up confirming you purchased the VPN. It will now say that the Yulu VPN official app will install to your home screen. Once it's installed, open the app. It looks like a completely normal VPN app. But here you'll also get the bonus app and a free $1,000 into Cash App, PayPal, or other options. If you click the menu in the top left, you'll see a button that says Money Claim. Click it, and it will allow you to enter your Cash App tag, PayPal email, or even choose an Amazon gift card. Once entered, it will send you $1,000. Let me try it out now. I'll enter my Cash App tag and see if they send the money. Opening Cash App. Boom, check that out guys. We just received $1,000. That's insane. As you can see, it actually works, and Yula VPN is legit. If you want a refund on the VPN as well, just go back to youlovepn.com, tap on the get refund button and enter the email you used to make the purchase. They'll refund you, just make sure to enter your email correctly. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and see you all later.